Most waxing tutorials don't show the details that matter. Today, you'll see every step in crystal clear 4K detail, making professional waxing technique easier to understand. When the technique isn't clearly visible, learning becomes difficult. That's why this tutorial focuses on every important detail. Professional lighting and macro close-up imaging allow you to observe every stage of the technique with exceptional clarity. Begin by cleansing and drying the skin. Removing surface oils and debris helps the wax adhere more effectively to the hair. Check that the wax has the consistency recommended by the manufacturer. Always test the temperature before applying it to the skin. Apply the wax in the direction of hair growth with firm, even pressure so it surrounds as many hairs as possible for effective removal. Leave a slightly thicker edge at the end of the strip to create a secure grip for controlled removal. Allow the wax to cool until it becomes firm and flexible rather than sticky before removing it. Keeping the skin taut helps improve comfort and supports cleaner hair removal. Remove the wax quickly while staying close to the skin. This technique helps reduce hair breakage and supports cleaner hair removal. Applying gentle pressure immediately afterward can help reduce the sensation of discomfort. A successful treatment leaves minimal broken hairs, with only mild temporary redness that usually settles naturally. Finish with a professional post-wax product designed to soothe the skin and support healthy recovery. Follow the product instructions for the best results. Clear visibility and careful technique help achieve cleaner, more consistent results. If this professional high-clarity tutorial helped you, subscribe to MTH Health for more evidence-informed beauty and health education. Leave your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next masterclass.